we've got it all finished now.
Looks awesome.
So we've got some buttons here on the side which activate when you actually unlock the car.
All right, that's handy.
Yeah, unlock the car, you see they illuminate to red. So
Yeah.
you can use those to actually operate the roller shutter like that. It's just a one touch. If you want to stop it halfway, you just touch it again. It stops halfway. And yeah, the other button, obviously to close it. And these buttons will time out, so you don't actually leave that open for any
Good idea, unwanted guests.
Yeah. The way I actually like to use the roller shutter is actually with the keypad.
Yeah.
So you actually double click the unlock button.
Yeah.
And the roller shutter opens up. So yeah.
Magic.
And it's good because it's nice and secure.
Yeah.
Keep all your stuff in there, and you got a nice big bright light when it opens. The light there illuminates so you can see everything that's inside.
That's pretty snazzy.
Yeah. And if you want to close it again, just double click on the lock button. You get a little toot from the horn.
That's just Effie talking to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, makes it nice and easy, and yeah. So
and that's pretty solid.
Yeah. And it's pretty waterproof too. Like it's not 100% waterproof, but
Yeah,
it is pretty much bang on.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's all integrated through the self-locking as well.
That'll keep the old bare metal panels nice and dry when I'm
Certainly will.
coming back and getting them acid dipped or blasted, because that's always been the bane of my life. There's more room in this than the Ute, obviously, the old Ute, and you're always panicking. If I had the hard lid on and I had a few panels in there, would quickly fill up. And then I have to take the hard lid off if I wanted to do one run. If it wasn't raining, if it was raining, I have to keep the hard lid on.
Yep.
And
this is nice and secure too. You got no one that can actually break into it. So
yeah.
And if you want to keep something hanging out the back a little bit, you can just open it just a little bit.
Yeah.
And protrude it out the back.
And I don't need the tailgate open, obviously, to open that.
That can be opened or closed while you actually open and close the roller shutter.
Again, that was the bane of my life with the old Ute. Like, you know, they're old technology now, but always having to lift the lid, what you carry, and putting it down, lifting the lid, holding it up because the bloody rams are gone.
So what do you think?
I think it's bloody awesome.
Yeah.
It's the simple things that I love, and if you can do that.
Yeah. Nice and easy to open. And look at all that room.
No more doing this.
No. And you got a nice big bright light.
Ta-da! Brilliant. Love it.
So when you get home late at night, you'll be right.
Yeah. Usually have to hold the lid with one hand, reach around trying to find something in the dark. That's brilliant.
Yeah, no, you'll love it. You will absolutely love it. So easy to use.
Yeah.
You want to have a play? So double tap on the lock button.
Yeah.
It closes it.
And then the tailgate.
And if you want to stop it, do you want to have a play now, Dick? With your new toy?
Now that I know that this works. How did I not know that? And then
too many buttons. And then you double click on that one.
On the lock. Magic.
Hey? How easy is that?
I like this. And then it's double click, open it again.
No, that's a lot. Yeah, use it. Yeah.
And then that one.
Yeah, everything's double click basically. You got all that room.
I could do this all day.
Double click on the. Yeah.
This is brilliant.
So now you're laughing.
I'll just play with this for a while.
Good.
You can just leave me here. I'll stay here for a bit.
Okay. Well, so the battery should be charged up by now. So
sorry, mate. Sorry.
That's all good. There's nothing wrong with a bit of playing around.
Yeah.
With your new toy. So yeah, I'll remove the battery charger and yeah, you can go and check out your new tint on the front windows while I got it overnight.
I was killing two birds with one stone.
At least we got it all done together. So what do you think?
Amazing.
Look good? That'll stop a bit of suntan and a bit of cancer on your arms.
It was getting cooked. No, they've done a really nice job on that.
Yeah, he does a good top job. Have you just
It's matched really well.
yeah,
Yeah.
so it's a nice brown film, so it matches in with the rear.
Yeah.
And just keep in mind, don't up and down the windows
Yeah.
until a few days.
Couple of days.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you'll be
Awesome.
good. No playing with it.
No. Thank you very much. Thank you for looking after me.
No worries. You
And,
enjoy that.
I'll go up the road now with no sunburn.
That's it.
Cheers, mate.
All right. Thanks.
See you later.
See ya.